Good morning, students. So, yesterday we are discussing about part C, question number 35 and 36 belongs to vector algebra. Now, today I will continue same question number 35 and 36 belongs to vector algebra to solve some more problems based on question number 35 and 36 that is in vector algebra. Okay. Now, ನಿನ್ನೆವರೆಗೆ 7 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we will continue same questions, that is question number 35 and 36, that is belongs to in vector algebra. So next question number 8, that is if two vectors a and b such that magnitude of a is 2, magnitude of b is 3 and a dot b is equal to 4, find magnitude of a minus b. Very simple question, that is 3 mark. Now here given data magnitude of a is 2, okay, then magnitude of b is 3 and dot product, scalar product is given, a dot b is equal to 4, everything is given to find magnitude of a minus b. Now consider magnitude of a minus b to the power of 2, expand, usual expansion, a minus b whole power 2 formula, a square, here in vector we take magnitude of a square plus b square, here magnitude of b square, minus 2 times ab, here in vector 2 times a dot b. Substituting the values, magnitude of a is 2 power 2, magnitude of b is 3 to the power of 2, a dot b value is given 4. So 2 square 4, 3 square 9, minus 4 2s are 8. So magnitude of a minus b whole power 2 is equal to 4 plus, that is 4 plus 9, 13, 13 minus 8, 5. Therefore, taking the square root on both sides, magnitude of a minus b is equal to how much? Root 5. That's it. Yeah, magnitude of a ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, magnitude of b ಇದೆ, a dot b ಇದೆ, find magnitude of a minus b. So magnitude of a minus b value root 5. Okay. Next problem, find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors a plus b and a minus b, where a is the vector 3i plus 2j plus 2k, b is the vector I plus 2j minus 2k. Now here first to find out a plus b, then to find a minus b. Now here what is a plus b vector? Adding the corresponding elements of the vector a and vector b, a plus b, a vector given, b vector given, adding the corresponding elements, 3i plus 1i, how much? 4i, 2j plus 2j, 4j, correct? Then 2k minus 2k, plus into minus, minus 2k minus 2k, vanish, that is 0k, no k term. Okay. Now here that a plus b vector, call it as vector c anta kareyanadikku. Let vector c is equal to a plus b and let vector d is equal to a minus b. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ a minus b ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, so that a minus b vector denoted by d vector. Now what is a minus b? Subtract 3i minus 1i, 2i, 2j minus 2j, minus into plus, minus 2j minus 2j vanish, that is 0j, no j term, ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? 2k minus of minus, minus of minus means minus into minus, plus 2k, totally 4k. This is d vector. Okay. Now the question, find the unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors, each of the vector, that a vector a plus b denoted by c, vector a minus b denoted by d, so that unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors c and d, you know the formula, unit vector perpendicular to both c and d is denoted by n cap is equal to, do you remember? Yes. So n cap is equal to c cross d divided by their magnitude. ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು formula, unit vector perpendicular to a and b is denoted by n cap is equal to a cross b divided by their magnitude. Instead of a and b, by taking the vector C and A minus B vector denoted by D. So unit vector perpendicular to both C and D is denoted by the formula n cap is equal to C cross D divided by magnitude of C cross D. Now first to find C cross D. Now how to solve C cross D? Now C cross D is equal to C andre yav vector adu A plus B, D andre yavadu A minus B. Now definition of cross product of two vectors using the determinant. First row ijk, right? Second row coefficient of ijk in vector C. Coefficient of ijk in vector C 4, coefficient of k is here 0. Then D vector means coefficient of ijk in vector D. Coefficients 2, 0, 1, 4. Then expand. You know how to expand that determinant. Gottideyala idu? I into deleting first row, first column, the difference of the cross multiply. 4 4s are 16 minus 0 into 0 0 minus j into deleting first row, second column, 4 numbers. 4 into 4 16 minus 2 into 0 0 plus k into k lies in first row, third column. Deleting first row, third column, you will get 4 numbers. 4 into 0 0 minus 2 into 4 8. That is 16i minus 16j. 16 minus 0 16. 16 into j 16. 0 minus 8 minus 8. Minus into plus minus 8k. Right? Among these three, is there any common? Yes, 8 common. That is 2i minus 2j minus 1k. This is C cross D. Then to find their magnitude. Therefore, magnitude of C cross D, magnitude is nothing but length. That is equal to 8 into under root of coefficient of ijk 2 square 4 plus coefficient of j minus 2 square 4, coefficient of k 1 square 1. That is 8 into root 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 1 9. That is 8 into root 9 is 3. That is 24. Magnitude of C cross is 24. Therefore, unit vector, remember that formula, perpendicular to each of the vector, perpendicular to A plus B and A minus B. A plus B denoted by C, A minus B denoted by D, is given by the formula n cap is equal to magnitude of C cross D. C andre yavadu A plus B, D andre yavadu A minus D, divided by C cross D divided by magnitude of C cross D. This is the formula for unit vector perpendicular to both the vector is denoted by n cap is equal to C cross D divided by their magnitude. What is C cross D value? 8 into 2i minus 2j minus 1k divided by their magnitude, that is 24. 8 ones are 8 threes are, that is 2i minus 2j minus k divided by their that is magnitude value is here 3. This is the unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors C and D. Remember that formula, n cap is equal to C cross D divided by their magnitude. Okay. Similarly, next question, problem number 10, same question. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors A plus B and A minus B. Here vector A is equal to I plus J plus K and vector B is equal to I plus 2J plus 3K. Similar to previous problem. Now first to find A plus B, adding the corresponding elements of vector A and vector B. I plus I, 2I. J plus 2J plus 3J. Correct? 1K plus 3K, 4K. Okay. Then that A plus B vector denoted by C vector. Then to find A minus B vector, that is denoted by D vector. Subtract 1I minus 1I, 0I. Howda? 1j plus 2 minus 2j minus 1j. Subtract j minus 2j minus j. 1k minus 3k minus 2k. This is A minus B. Then to find C cross D. Why? Because unit vector perpendicular to both the vector denoted by n cap is equal to C cross D divided by their magnitude. So to find C cross D, definition of cross product using the determinant I is a k, coefficient of I is a k in vector C, that is 2, 3, 4. Coefficient of I is a k in vector D, 0, coefficient of I is here 0, coefficient of j minus 1, coefficient of k minus 2. Expand it. You know how to expand that determinant. Plus I into deleting first row, first column, we get 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply. 3 into minus 2 minus 6, difference, minus 1 into 4 minus 4 minus into minus plus 4. Minus j into deleting first row, second column, 4 numbers, 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Difference minus 0 into 4, 0, plus k into deleting first row, third column, 4 numbers, minus 2, minus 0. Correct? Huh? So that is I into minus 4 plus minus 6 plus 4 minus 2, that is minus 2i, right? Minus 2i. Minus 4 minus into minus plus 4j, okay, plus into minus, minus 2k. This is C cross D. Now among these 3 terms, is there any common? 2 common, take 2 common, minus I plus 2j minus 1k, right? Then to find its magnitude, magnitude of C cross D is equal to 2 into under root of coefficient of I minus 1 square plus 1, coefficient of j 2 square plus 4, coefficient of k minus 1 square plus 1. That is 2 root 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 2 root 6. Therefore, unit vector perpendicular to the each of the vector a plus b and a minus b, that is denoted by C and D, is denoted by n cap is equal to formula C cross D vector divided by their magnitude, that is equal to C cross D value 2 of minus I plus 2j minus k divided by their magnitude 2 root 6. 2 cancel, that equals minus I plus 2j minus k divided by root 6. That is the answer. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 3 mark question. Remember the formula, unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors a and b is denoted by n cap is equal to vector a cross b divided by their magnitude. This formula ನೆನಪಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ easily ಇದನ್ನು solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, next problem, find the sine of the angle between two vectors I plus 2j plus 2k and 3i plus 2j plus 6k. Look here, two vectors are given. Given data, let vector A is equal to 1i plus 2j plus 2k. Vector B is given, that is 3i plus 2j plus 6k. Now the question, find the sine of the angle between the vectors. You know the formula, sine of the angle between the vectors is given by the formula sin theta is equal to, remember that formula, magnitude of A cross B divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Remember, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೋದ್ರೆ 1 mark ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಈ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ A cross B by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Now to find A cross B. Now how to solve A cross B? Definition of cross product using the determinant I, j, k first row, coefficient of I in vector A 1, 2, 2. coefficient of I, j, k in vector B 3, 2, 6. Expand that determinant, plus, minus, plus. You know how to expand that determinant. I into deleting first row, first column, you will get 4 numbers. The difference of the cross multiply. 2, 6 are 12, minus 2, 2 are 4. Minus j into deleting first row, second column, 4 numbers. 1, 6 are 6, minus 3, 2 are 6. Plus k into deleting first row, third column, 4 numbers. 1, 2 are 2, minus 3, 2 are 6. Then simplify. 12 minus 4, 8i. 6 minus 6, 0j, right? Then 2 minus 6, minus 4k. This is A cross B. Then to find its magnitude. Now here A cross B is equal to 8i, 0j minus 4k. Among these, common 4 common. Take 4 common. That is 2i minus 0 into j minus 1k. Because by taking 4 common. Then to find their magnitude. Magnitude of A cross B is equal to 4 into magnitude is nothing but length. Length of the vector under root of coefficient of I2 square 4. Coefficient of j minus 0 square is 0. Coefficient of k minus 1 square is plus 1. That is 4 into root 4 plus 1, 5. And to find magnitude of A. Let A is the vector I plus 2j plus 2k, its magnitude. Coefficient of I 1, 1 square 1. Coefficient of j 2, 2 square 4. Coefficient of j 2, 2 square 4. That is 4 plus 1, 9. Root 9 value is 3. And magnitude of B under root of, again coefficient of I 3 square 9. Coefficient of j 2 square 4. Coefficient of k 6 square is 36. That is 36 plus 4, 40 plus 9, 49. Root 49 is 7. Okay. Therefore, the question is sine of the angle between the vector is given by the formula sine theta is equal to. Therefore, sine theta is equal to. Sine theta is equal to formula magnitude of A cross B. What is magnitude of A cross B? 4 into root 5 divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. 3 into 7. That is 4 root 5 divided by 3 sevens are 21. This is the sine of the angle between the vector. That is 4 root 5 divided by root 21. So remember that formula. Sine of the angle between the vector is sine theta is equal to, what is the formula? Magnitude of A cross B divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Okay. Problem. Find the area of the triangle ABC whose position vectors of A, B and C are 3 position vectors are given. I minus j plus 2k, 2j plus k and j plus 3k. Now here given 3 position vectors are given. So first position vector represented by OA is given, that is 1i minus j plus 2k. Okay. And second position vector OB is given. There is no I term. We can write 0i, right? Plus 2j plus k. And position vector OC is given. That is again there is no I term. We can write 0i plus j plus 3k. Okay. Therefore, A is the point. Point enagutte? Eliminate I j k, that is 1 minus 1 2. This is the point. B be a point. There is no I term. 0 2 1. C be a point. 0 1 3. Now find the area of triangle ABC with 3 position vectors. These are the position vectors. These are the vertices. You know the formula. Area of triangle ABC with 3 vertices are given. Is given by the formula. Remember, 1 by 2 into magnitude of AB cross AC. This is the formula for area of triangle ABC with 3 vertices or with 3 position vectors are given. Remember that formula, its area half into magnitude of AB cross AC. Okay, now to find AB and AC. Now AB vector is equal to, using position vector we write OB minus OA, correct? Subtract OB minus OA, 0I minus I, that is minus I, right? 2j minus of minus 1j plus j, that is 3j. 1k minus 2k minus 1k, this is AB vector. Next, to find AC vector. AC vector, AC is equal to OC minus OA, correct? OC vector minus OA vector, 0I minus 1I minus 1I. 1j minus of minus plus 1j plus 1j plus 2j. Then 3k minus into plus minus 3k minus 2k minus plus 1k, right? We got AB and AC. Next, to find AB cross AC. Now AB cross AC is equal to, now AB cross AC is equal to, definition of cross product using the determinant. Write the coefficients of I is AK in vector AB and vector AC. In vector AB, coefficient of I is AK minus 1, 3, minus 1. Here, no, sorry, in first row X, that is I is AK. In second row, coefficient of I is AK in vector AB minus 1, 3, minus 1. Vector AC minus 1, 2, 1. Expand that determinant. You know how to expand it. That is I into, deleting first row, first column, the difference of the cross multiply, 3, difference minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus into minus plus 2, minus j into, deleting first row, second column, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, difference minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, that plus into minus 1, plus k into, deleting first row, third column, the difference of the cross multiply, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, difference minus 1 into 3 minus 3, that minus into minus plus 3. Okay, then simplify 5I minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2j minus 2 plus 3 plus 1k. Then to find its magnitude. Now magnitude of AB cross AC is equal to under root of coefficient of I 5 square 25, coefficient of J 2 square 4, coefficient of K 1 square is plus 1. How much? Root 30. Okay, root 30. ಈ 30 ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್, ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. So therefore area of triangle is equal to formula 1/2 into, remember that formula, magnitude of AB cross AC, that is 1/2, magnitude of AB cross AC value root 30, that is root 30 divided by 2 square units. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವುದು? ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. ಕೊಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. Then unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors denoted by n cap is equal to vector A cross B divided by their magnitude. Then area of triangle with 3 vertices are given. Its formula 1/2 into magnitude of AB cross AC. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay students, this is 3 mark question. Okay, if the vertices of ABC of a triangle ABC are 3 vertices 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 2. Then the question, find angle ABC. Either you can apply cosine or sine. Now here one triangle is given like this. Let ABC be a triangle with three vertices. A is the vertex 1, 2, 3. B is the vertex -1, 0, 0. C is the vertex 0, 1, 2. Now find the angle ABC. Angle ABC. Okay. Now here this is call it as a theta. Let theta be the angle between the vectors AB and BC, or AC and BC. You take any two. Now to find BA vector and BC vector. Now BA is equal to, how to write using position vector, OA minus OB. Correct? So OA, A is the point 1, 2, 3. B is the point -1, 0, 0. Subtract OA minus OB. 1 minus of -1 plus 1, that is 2. Correct? Then 2 minus 0, that is 2. 3 minus 0, 3. This is BA vector. Next, BC vector. BC is equal to, how to write, OC minus OB vector. OC is the position vector of the point 0, 1, 2. OB is the vector position vector of the point -1, 0, 0. This minus this. 0 minus of minus plus 1, that is 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. We got the vector. This is A1, B1, C1. This is called it as A2, B2, C2. Now find the angle ABC. Now let theta be the angle between the vector. Then cos theta is equal to angle between the angle ABC is nothing but angle between the vectors AB and BC, or BA and BC. BA and BC. Cos theta is equal to, what is the formula? BA dot BC divided by their magnitude. You know that cosine of angle between the vector is given by the formula cos theta is equal to A dot B by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. A andre yavudu ille BA vector. BA vector A ankolli, BC vector divided by B. So cos theta is equal to A dot B. A andre yavudu BA dot B means BC divided by their magnitude. Now that is equal to BA dot BC. Definition of dot product, multiplying the corresponding elements A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A1 2 A2 1 plus B1 2 B2 1 plus C1 3 C2 2 divided by magnitude of BA, magnitude length under root of 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9 into magnitude of BC 1 square 1 plus 1 square 1 plus 2 square 4, right? Simplify. 2 into 1 2 plus 2 plus 3 2s are 6 divided by root, how much? 17 into root 6. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10 divided by root 17 into root 6. Multiply. 6 7s are 42, 6 1s, that is root 102. So the angle, find the angle ABC, that is the cos theta is equal to 10 divided by root 102. So remember the formula, cosine of the angle between the vector is given by cos theta is equal to A dot B divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Sine of the angle between the vector sine theta is equal to magnitude of A cross B divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Area of triangle with 3 vertices are given, ABC, is given by the formula area of triangle 1 by 2 into magnitude of AB cross AC. Okay. So unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors A and B is given by the formula n cap is equal to vector A cross B divided by their magnitude. So even concept ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ formula ನೆನಪಿಟ್ರೆ easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is the angle between the vector. So this completes question number 35 and 36 belongs to under vector algebra. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ಈಗೇನು 13 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾವಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎರಡೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ expected question, 3 mark. Okay, next question number 37 belongs to under 3D geometry. 37th question ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3 dimensional geometry. So we will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.